This is the YH-09, which I bought from Lazada a few months ago.
Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel mainly focuses on reviewing and testing out affordable and budget wireless earbuds so that I can help you to decide before you hit the buy button. If you like such content, it would be great if you could actually hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, share my content with your friends who are also looking at such items. Now without further ado, let's get into today's content.
So the YH-09 in Lazada Singapore has a high rating of 4.6 out of 5 star with around 5% of poor review. Some of them experience one side not working, others experience constant disconnection, while the rest feedback that the battery life was bad. But at $15, how's the sound? How is the battery life? Would I be experiencing some of the bad things some of the users have actually commented? Well, stay tuned, cause we'll be exploring all these things right now. Now let's start with the case, shall we? So the packaging of the YH-09 is pretty basic, simple packaging. The case is very similar to the Redmi AirDots 3 with round and smooth edges. The one which I got is actually white color with very shiny finishing. It is also available in 3 other colors: black, pink, and plush pink. The body is plastic, I mentioned earlier, shiny finishing, so the surface is actually a fingerprint magnet and is pretty prone to scratches easily. Overall, the case quality is okay and it doesn't feel too cheap. At the back is the USB-C charging port with a hole next to it, though I'm not too sure what's the use yet. Overall, for the entire case, there's no logo, there's no text, there's no printing, which is nice. To access the earbuds is pretty easy. All you need to do is to open the lid and the earbud sits vertically in the case with a huge LED display in the middle, which indicates that the battery percentage of the case. The earbuds feels very light, even though it's pretty chunky and thick. The design of the earbuds is a little bit unique. The head is similar to the Nothing One wireless earbuds, while the stem is triangular shape, which is different from the case. Because the stem is actually triangular shape, it's actually very easy to hold. The ear tips are pretty soft, so it will enter just slightly into your ear canal, and the silicone seals are pretty soft. The ear tips are pretty short, so they will only enter slightly into your ear canal, and the silicone seals are pretty soft. The entire triangular stem is actually the touch control. The LED light in the middle of the stem is actually to represent different situations, such as charging, pairing, etc. As it is also IPX5 waterproof rating, so you don't need to worry about sweat and slight water splashes. Alright, so let's move on to talking about its battery life. Now, the earbuds, they're able to last 2 hours per charge on music at 100% volume, and it's able to last around 1.5 hours per charge on phone calls. When it's at low battery, you will start to experience intermittent disconnection. The charging case, it has a large LED indication with huge text. It will recharge both earbuds up to 3 times. Besides that, it's also able to charge independent earbuds. It takes around 1 hour to charge the earbuds from 0 to 100. The case takes around 2 hours to be fully charged. The LED light in the case is running numbers. It will change from 0 to 100 when fully charged. In terms of connectivity, for initial Bluetooth pairing, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is to follow the instruction guide and it's pretty effortless. For the initial Bluetooth pairing, the earbuds will flash red and blue light to indicate pairing mode, whether it's on my iPhone, on my Oppo Reno, on my laptop, or on my MacBook Air. And after you have success with the pairing, you're able to use individually the earbuds. Subsequent reconnection with my devices is also pretty quick. It only takes about 2 or 3 seconds, though do take note that the YH-09 do not support multi-devices connection. So this means that these earbuds are able to only connect to one device at any one point of time. The touch controls are usable, but on my personal testing, I find that they are a little bit far too sensitive, and sometimes it doesn't even register my touches. When it comes to sound quality, music output is fairly loud at 100%. There's some bass, but I can't really compare it with the bass of the M-Pow M-Dots. There's good clarity on vocals and it's always very front. There's some soundstage and acceptable instrument separation. Overall, music feels okay, and I feel that it's actually okay and suitable for very casual music enjoyment. But of course, it's definitely great for podcasts, but it's not really very suitable for gaming because the sound delay is very significant. So I would actually recommend you to stick to your wired headset instead of using the YH-09. Next, in terms of microphone quality, now the seller actually claims that the YH-09 utilizes CVC 8.0 version technology to actually improve call quality. The following are a series of audio clips to demonstrate the microphone quality of the YH-09. Put on your headsets to have a good listen.
This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini.
Hi everyone, this is how your voice will sound like on the YH-09 wireless earbud. I'm currently in an indoor environment, so let me know how you find the voice quality. Right, so this is actually a mic test of the YH-09 in an indoor environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is the mic test on the YH-09 wireless earbud. This is the mic test on the YH-09 wireless earbud. I'm currently inside a coffee house, so let me know what you think of the mic quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is a mic test on the YH-09 wireless earbud. This is a mic test on the YH-09 wireless earbud. I'm currently walking around the shopping mall, so let me know what you think of the mic quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So this is actually a mic test on the YH-09 wireless earbud. This is a mic test on the YH-09 wireless earbud. I'm actually using it with Zoom. This is currently with Zoom. Let me know what you think of the voice quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So at the end of the day, is it worth it to get the YH-09 or should you look for something else? Well, shall we look at the pros and cons? Now for the pros, I would say that the microphone is usable and it's actually good for podcasts. On the con side, I would say is that it's not suitable for gaming, so build quality, and in terms of battery life is pretty on the very low side. But of course, if you're looking for an inexpensive pair of wireless earbuds for your work from home sessions, you may actually consider to look at the YH-09. If not, I would rather that you look away and consider other brands such as the Basis WM01, the M-Power M Dot, the Tautronics Sound Liberty 77, or even the Xiaomi Buds 3 Pro. Still, I won't really stop you from getting the YH-09. And all the earbuds I've mentioned earlier, I'll be including the link in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Thank you for staying until this point of the video. There you have it. This has been my personal view of the YH-09 wireless earbud. I hope it has helped you. If it did, it'll be great if you could actually smash the like button, and more importantly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share my content with your friends who are considering to get wireless earbuds. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!